Alright, you guys, this is my sweet potato. Wanted to give you an update. Look at those and look at the roots. This has been 10 days. Hold on, let me see if I can bring it over here. Look, that has been 10 days. Yep, so I got it in the water, in the sunlight. Well, and it's so good, okay? So that's not even in the ground yet. Got the other plants up there. Got tomatoes. Let's see if I can show you. That's tomatoes. Oh, no. Why did it fall? Okay, well, now one is acting stupid. I don't know why. And that one started falling. But we're not going to worry about it. That's the onion. That's the wild rice. Brown rice. And that's the tomatoes. This one started tripping, so I think I'm going to snap that leaf off so it don't touch the ground. I got other ones over there, but they're not ready yet. But these are my garden right now. My little garden in containers.